Hi guys, it's Dale from Ganchev and I'm here with
Kerri from MyFM.
And this is the Ganchev Inside Look. This week we've decided to pick the Cadillac XT4. And the reason why we picked this vehicle is because it's actually Kerri's favorite car.
Yes.
So Kerri, why don't you tell us why you love the XT4 so much?
First of all, I love the XT4 because it's affordable. It's in my price range. So
Okay.
you can get into a Cadillac, still have all the luxuries that come with the Cadillac, but it's affordable. I also really like the 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo engine. So it gives it more get up and go, but it's still fuel efficient. So it's only 8 liters to 100 kilometers with that. So I really like that. It's got the good get up and go. And the cornering headlights were really cool.
You did do, so Kerri, if you've followed us on Facebook, you've probably seen some of the test drive series that Kerri has done for us. And she did a really cool video of showing the capability of those cornering headlights. And it's very neat if you're out in the dark and you're turning around a dark corner and you don't know what to expect. It's a really good feature. The thing that I first noticed when we got in, there was a couple of things. One, the dual panel sunroof. I just think it's so awesome if you're out driving on a nice sunny day to be able to have that extra sun coming in. And if you've got kids or passengers in the back, they also get the benefit of it too because of the dual panels. The other thing that I noticed when I was sitting in the back is they have a full panel. So you have your USB, your USB-C, and 2 heated seat buttons back there. So you've got passengers in the back or kids in the back and it's winter. They also have the luxury of having heated seats as well, which I thought was really neat.
Yep.
Yeah.
Not just for the front, but for the back. Heated steering wheel too. Really nice, especially maybe not so much now in the winter when you come in, your hands are cold.
Yeah.
You got your heated steering wheel.
Yeah.
I also like that too.
Yeah. And Kerri was kind of playing around with some of the buttons when we first got in, and I really like this little media center right by your gear shift, and so if you are driving along and you want to change the volume or scroll through settings and do a quick change, you have those options down here for your media center if you don't want to use the touch screen. That's a very handy thing to have.
It's there, and it's also here on the steering wheel
as
well.
Thanks guys, have a good day.